Welcome to the University of Texas at Austin, UT Austin. The University of Texas at Austin, UT Austin, is a prestigious public research university located in Austin, Texas. It was founded in 1883 and is one of the largest and most prominent institutions within the University of Texas system. UT Austin is widely recognized for its academic rigor, diverse programs, and vibrant campus life, with a reputation as one of the top public universities in the United States. 1. Campus and location. Location. UT Austin is located in the heart of Austin, Texas, the state's capital, known for its thriving music scene, tech industry, and dynamic cultural offerings. The campus spans over 431 acres, close to downtown Austin, and includes a mix of historic and modern buildings, green spaces, and cutting-edge research facilities. Facilities. The campus houses state-of-the-art research labs, libraries, recreational centers, art galleries, and theaters. The Perry Castaneda Library is one of the largest academic libraries in the country. The university also boasts several museums, including the Blanton Museum of Art and the Harry Ransom Center. 2. Academic excellence. Colleges and schools. UT Austin offers a wide range of undergraduate, graduate, and professional programs across its 18 colleges and schools. Some of the most notable are McCombs School of Business, renowned for business and management programs; Cockrell School of Engineering, highly regarded in the fields of engineering and technology; College of Liberal Arts, one of the largest in the country, offering a broad range of humanities and social science degrees; School of Law, well known for producing distinguished legal professionals; College of Education, School of Nursing, Moody College of Communication, and many others. Rankings. UT Austin consistently ranks among the top public universities in the U.S. and globally. It is known for its excellence in business, engineering, law, and communication programs. It's also a member of the prestigious Association of American Universities, AAU, which comprises leading research universities in the U.S. and Canada. 3. Research and innovation. UT Austin is a major hub for research, with a strong focus on innovation and in interdisciplinary collaboration. The university has more than 90 research units and over $700 million in annual research funding. Key areas of research include energy and sustainability, technology and engineering, biomedical sciences, social sciences and humanities, arts and entertainment. The Texas Advanced Computing Center, TAC, is one of the most advanced computing centers in the world, enabling cutting-edge research in a wide range of fields. 4. Student life. Student population. With over 50,000 students, UT Austin has one of the largest student populations in the country, comprising undergraduate, graduate, and professional students. The student body is diverse, with representation from all 50 U.S. states and more than 120 countries. Housing and residence life. The university offers a variety of housing options, both on and off campus, including traditional dorms, apartment-style living, and themed living communities. The Darrell K. Royal Texas Memorial Stadium, home to the football team, is one of the largest stadiums in the country. Some well-known graduates include Michael Dell, founder of Dell Technologies; Rex Tillerson, former U.S. Secretary of State and CEO of ExxonMobil; Matthew McConaughey, Academy Award-winning actor, did postdoctoral work here. Conclusion. The University of Texas at Austin is a highly respected institution with a strong academic reputation, research excellence, and a vibrant campus life. Its location in Austin, one of the fastest-growing cities in the U.S., provides students with access to a unique blend of culture, career opportunities, and lifestyle. With a commitment to academic and personal development, UT Austin continues to produce leaders in various fields across the globe. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Engage with me to learn the tutorial of this video.